So, in order to add a new staff member to Heartland Restaurant, you're gonna navigate to hrpos.heartland.us in any browser available on your computer. Then you're gonna use your credentials, your email address to log in, and your password. In case you forgot those, you're gonna click on Forget Password and add your email so the new link can be sent to you for resetting those credentials. So after you log in, you're gonna be presented if you have multiple locations with all the locations available. So I'm just gonna select yours. So after you're logged in, on the location setup on the left-hand side, there is a section called Staff. You're gonna click on that one, and then in order for you to add a new person, you're just gonna click New, and you're gonna add first name of the person, so Test, and then last name person, and then employee ID. You can skip that for now. The one that is important is actually login pin. That's the pin they're gonna use to log in and out. So let's type in some random pin 998877. It can be as long as you want or as short as you want. Next one is you're gonna skip salary because that would imply that your employee is not clocking in and out, but they're on the salary. So we're gonna skip that one. The one that we want to check is active. Allow the staff member to access the point of sale, and then this is really important. You're gonna select the job type. So right now we have admin, cashier, and the kitchen staff. So if you're adding a new staff member that's cashier, you're gonna select cashier, and then on the regular rate, you're gonna give him some salary rate. If you know what the amount is, you're gonna type in the amount, or if you don't, you're just gonna put in 0. That's perfectly fine. And then overtime rate has to be filled out as well. Then next thing that needs to be filled out is permissions. So you're gonna click on it and select accordingly. If it's a cashier, you're gonna select cashier, or if it's a kitchen staff, kitchen staff. And then the last thing is report access. Again, self-explanatory. If it's a cashier, you're gonna select cashier. If it's a kitchen staff, kitchen staff. So after this is done, you can click save, and after changes have been made, on the top right there is an arrow up that publishes the changes to the POS. So after you click on this one, it's going to prompt you if you want to send these changes to the POS. You're going to confirm yes, and once that's done, the changes have been sent to the POS. Sometimes the changes are not applied right away, so you need to restart the app on the iPad, so it picks up whatever change was done on the back end. If, for example, we want to get rid of this person, and that's test person, there are two ways of doing it. So first of all is just deactivating the person by unchecking the active checkbox and saving it and publishing it. And this is great because you're actually not deleting a person from the database. It's good for reporting purposes. This way people stay in the system, but they're not active and they don't have access to the system. And again, if that person is active again, you can always go back and check that box and save it up. Now, if you want to remove the person from the system altogether, what you're going to do is just going to click on the little trash can icon on the bottom right that says delete, and confirm the deletion. And after that, you're going to publish the changes. And that's pretty much the entire process of adding a new person, making a person inactive, and then deleting a person.